Alright everybody. So today we're just going to be putting this glass filter here on the 89 Camaro. Right now we're not really running a filter, so it's just going to be a real quick video of putting it on. Alright, we're just going to get this off. Okay. Sweet. So let's start undoing this. All of our fittings here. Oh man, I have to go get some. Okay, so let's get all these cut real quick. It's kind of an interesting way of packaging them. Let me see. I think we have 3/8 on the vehicle. All right, so it is 3/8. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a little Teflon tape on the threads just because I don't really trust it. Make sure it's going the right way. There we go. And you want to make sure there's no Teflon tape getting into your inlet here. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure from here to here, and then we're going to cut that much fuel line out. So let's go. Okay, here's our fuel line. We're going to come back to like right here, and then just mark where our ends are. Helps to have something sharp when cutting these fuel hoses. if we can't get a little more out of this. Oh man, I think we got the wrong end on this size. We sure do. Let me get this fixed real quick and then we'll come right back. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty much it for putting one of these glass filters on. I'll go ahead and I guess start her up and check for leaks, but that's going to be it for this video. Next video, we're either going to be installing a new temperature gauge on this, or we're going to be doing something on the other Camaro. So we'll catch you guys on the next episode.